Hi everyone, this is Ravi from TBO Media. I'm bringing you this video to showcase the potential of ManyChat, which is basically a creator of chatbots, which we can use for around about $15 a month. Uh, I'm bringing you this video because at the end of the day, I do think that this is a very necessary component for a lot of different companies. We specialize in the real estate industry. So I've basically gone onto a lot of your websites and a lot of your Instagram and Facebook accounts, and the the responses that I get are either really slow or sometimes we just don't get a response at all. And I do think that with something so simple as ManyChat or Tidio, which is the next video that I'm going to be uploading, you can, with relative ease, you can have essentially a virtual assistant, a virtual receptionist that will uh, basically take care of all of the communications going into and out of Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp. Okay, we're not going to do a WhatsApp integration today because at the end of the day, when you do a WhatsApp integration, you need to put some details of your company, and I don't really want to create new company details every time I'm making a video. Okay, so let's get started. I've already got a ManyChat account for myself, but we're basically going to be working on this together. So feel free to just do this along with me. Um, right now, we're going to select Instagram as our starting channel because Instagram is basically a lot more popular than Facebook nowadays. So I've already got my Instagram account connect. Well, ManyChat already uh, recognizes my Instagram account, but you can connect another account and take it from there. So we're gonna start by connecting our Instagram account now. Now I've basically created a testing page, which is right here, essentially, and yeah, and we've also created a testing account for Facebook as well, which I'll show you, which is this one essentially. Okay, and we've also created a website here just to because like to make more videos and that sort of thing. Okay, so here we're going to be activating the pro account after for 14 days, and it's $15 a month, which is a pretty nice price to like essentially unlock a new stream of leads for yourself, and I think it's really worth it. So definitely give it a go. Right, so we've got our free 14-day pro trial. So we're going to click next. And well, this is just for testing purposes. So I'm just going to say it's a personal project and that's it. Real estate. No. Right, so right now we've got this connected to our Instagram account. So we're going to connect it right now to our Messenger account. With yeah, so as I told you, I've got like these two accounts connected in my Meta Business Suite. Yeah, my page is in Spanish because well, I'm Spanish, and we're going to connect that. So now both of our Messenger and our Instagram accounts are being connected, and yeah, so now we're basically going to go into automations. Now I've got an automation already ready for this tutorial, so I'm just going to upload that real quick. Right, so here we've got our flow that I've designed. This is supposed to be a flow to cater to the holiday rentals. So basically down here in the south of Spain, there's a lot of rental agencies, and they do a lot of holiday rentals. So I think that this is actually quite useful. So what we've done is basically set up a trigger that will take these, if the message contains one of these words, then the trigger will get executed and we'll go through our flow. So it's saying that thank you for choosing test real estate, find your holiday rental and whatever. And now we will ask you a couple of personal questions and details so that we can best serve you. And then there's a button that says let's go. I like to do this because I like to give people the option of like well, this is essentially like a four-part questionnaire, right? But you can configure it however you want. But what I do like about this is that you're giving the client an option to like say, let's go. So as soon as they say, let's go, it's almost like they're saying, okay, I'm agreeing to like take your questionnaire. Whereas if you have like a questionnaire already, then it's like you're not really giving the customer any kind of like right to choose or not to choose. So basically, we ask them for their name and their email address, what kind of house they're looking for. This is in Spanish. So looking for, uh, and what's their budget, and then after that we can tell them, okay, so your preferences have been recorded, and please use the following link to book a follow-up call with one of our agents. And this is a calendar which I have configured for Google. The way that you can actually do this, make a calendar for yourself, is to basically, so this is the calendar that we've got. To make a calendar yourself, you basically go into your calendar, you create this is in Spanish, but it should be like a schedule of appointments, appointment schedule, and you can find the details for this online anywhere. You just type in how to create a schedule, and it will appear. Then here you just click on one of these blue bits, and you basically share. Okay, and well, we've already got it here, so that's good. So also, some of the things that I did want to mention is that over here, if we're waiting for a user reply and the user hasn't really replied within 2 hours, we're going to give them a follow-up message. Hey, are you still interested? And we're going to take them back to the questionnaire. And if not, then we're going to ask them to, whenever they're ready, to just say renting, and we'll get back on track. Okay. So that's it for the automation. The way I've also, like, if you double click over here, you're going to be able to like put in whatever you want. So basically that, or Instagram, or whatever it is. Yeah. So yes. So that's what it is. Okay. So we are going to update that, and we're going to go into automations. Now I want to show you exactly how I've made this. Yeah. The way I've made this is I've basically clicked on new automation. I've gone into this one, captured customer data with lead magnet. I've clicked use this template, and basically this gives you a pretty good structure of what it is that you want to do. Yeah, and then you can basically edit this to your will, or whatever it is, and whatever you want to do with this. And if you want to like add an AI step is also quite interesting, but I'll have to make a separate video for that because it's going to get a little bit long if I do it here. But yeah, so long as you basically go for next step, you can actually smart delay. This is actually pretty good for doing follow-up messages with your clients. If a client has basically clicked on I don't know, maybe like a Facebook post or an Instagram post, they've made a comment, it's nice to have like a delay so that it thinks of you as a bit of a human, like a smart delay, like to mimic human beings. Smart delay is a really cool feature in my opinion. So basically, let's get on with the video, and let's basically finish this. Okay, so we're going to delete that for now. Delete. Okay, cool. And now, what I want you to do is that now that we've got both of our Instagram and our Messenger accounts connected, yeah. What we're going to do with the automation is that we're going to basically convert it to our other channel, which is our Instagram account. Okay. We're going to duplicate and convert that. Now, the only thing that you're going to have to change here is the triggers. So you're going to have to like create a new trigger, and a user sends us a message. So with the specific words of rental So yeah, so we've basically created our triggers, and now we're basically ready to test these automations. Okay, something else that I would like to do is that this automation contains. Okay, we need to publish that. Sorry, set live. Let's see, yeah, set live. Right. So that, and now we're going to something else that I would like to show you. This is actually a really cool feature in my opinion. So basically convert your Instagram comments into sales. So every time someone basically comments, we're going to set up a trigger that we are going to send them a message, right? So we're going to have a new trigger of when user comments on your post or reel, and we're going to delete that because usually this one doesn't really work very well. Leave, okay, and we're going to delete that one. Okay. Now we've actually created already like a post, right? So on Instagram, which is that one, and yeah, so we're basically going to include the following keywords. So let's say that a client is saying, "Oh yeah, that's really pretty," or maybe "whoa," or "amazing." And we're going to do it for the Americans as well. Amazing. Yeah, and beautiful. And we're going to catch one where it says, "Where is this?" or something like that. So whenever the clients are basically using this kind of wording, we're going to continue and we're going to send multiple replies. Okay. Right, so here we have basically done this trigger, which will basically include all of these words, and it will reply with one of these three randomly selected messages to our potential customers, and then they will send, then in their Instagram DMs, they will get a message with this link. So basically, I don't really have any more photos for our website or for our imaginary house. So I've just basically linked them to our website just to check functionality. So that's basically done, and we're going to test that now. So we're going to set that as live, and yeah, that looks good, and we're going to basically check it now. So we're going to send them a comment. Whoa, like whoa, we said whoa, right? So publish, and we're going to send them a message. So for Facebook, we're also going to send them some query. So, hi, can I rent a house, please? Yeah, this is working. So yeah, this is working, and on our Instagram DMs, we have just received the message from Test Real Estate, so that's cool. Okay, so also something that I would like to mention is that on Instagram, if you truly want to check something for Instagram, you need to understand that on Instagram web, you're not going to get the full functionality because it just doesn't work that way. If you do want to check out how it's going to work and how it's going to look on Instagram, you've got a little button here. So you've got a little button here on edit, which is like a live preview. So let's go. What's your name? Ravi. My email address, test email at gmail.com, and holiday rental. What is my budget? 900. And yeah, basically that works. So yeah, so that's the video. It is $15 per month. So I really do hope that you can fully take advantage of this because it is a really powerful little piece of equipment. And if you already have a Facebook and an Instagram account, I strongly suggest you use this resource because it is really really good. Honestly, I could not recommend this enough. So yep. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I will link this automation in the description of this video. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time.